This is the long-awaited compact powerhouse, the OnePlus 15T. It's one of the most anticipated small-screen flagship phones right now, and the unit I have here comes in the pure cocoa color, which is actually OnePlus's first ever brown finish. The metal frame wrapping around the back panel feels extremely premium, and when you compare it to the standard OnePlus 15 color options, the difference really stands out. Honestly, it looks stunning. If you remember the OnePlus 15T, it kind of hinted at the future design direction of OnePlus's numbered series, and over time, its value only became more apparent. But now with the OnePlus 15T, not only do we get a completely refreshed design, we're also seeing major upgrades across the board. There's a more powerful processor, full-level water resistance, an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, a 3.5x periscope telephoto lens, improved battery life, and even a 165Hz high refresh rate display. In this video, we're taking a quick early look before the official launch. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's start with performance. The new 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is seriously impressive. No surprises there. Even in standard benchmark tests, the numbers are already very strong. But where it really shines is in gaming. Thanks to the 165Hz display from the OnePlus 15 ecosystem, games that support 165 FPS like Call of Duty, Delta Force, and Peacekeeper Elite run smoothly. Pair that with OnePlus's gaming optimization and Samsung's esports level tuning, and the overall experience feels incredibly stable. From my early tests, this might actually be the only small screen flagship pushing a full 165Hz experience. Now moving on to the camera, and this is where things get really interesting. The upgrades here are seriously noticeable. I was already impressed when I saw the sample shots from Wang Meng's studio. The new 3.5x periscope telephoto lens delivers a classic 85mm focal length, which is perfect for portraits. Compared to the limited 2x zoom on the OnePlus 15T, this feels like a huge step forward. With Lumo imaging, you can shoot with a lot more confidence. Big credit to Lumo for this improvement. Let me show you some of the photos I captured over the past few days. Battery life has also taken a big leap forward. Even though the phone keeps the same compact size, it now packs a massive 7,500 mAh battery. To put that into perspective, the iPhone 17 Pro Max only has around 5,000 mAh, and this is still just a 6.32-inch phone. Getting through 2 full days on a single charge now feels totally realistic. On top of that, you get 100-watt Super VOOC fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging, so basically everything is covered. I'm also curious to see if OnePlus will release a better-looking and more functional magnetic case to go along with it. 2 features that really stood out to me during my hands-on time were the full-level water resistance and the super-fast fingerprint sensor. You might not always think about them, but once you have them, they make a big difference. If you use the OnePlus 15T, you'll probably remember how these were missing, and it always made using the phone outdoors in the rain a bit stressful. With the OnePlus 15T, that concern is gone. It can even handle being submerged in water without any issues. All right, that's it for this quick hands-on look. The OnePlus 15T feels like a perfectly balanced device where performance and battery life can rival even larger phones while still delivering a true flagship experience in a compact size. This was just the unboxing and first impressions. I'll be uploading a full detailed review after the official launch on March 24th. In that video, we'll dive deeper into gaming performance, camera samples, and my long-term usage experience. If you're interested in the OnePlus 15T, make sure to subscribe and be part of our tech community. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.